railroad and train station is complete. Now it's ready for traveling and transporting goods. Let's prepare a crushed stone pad for the railroad. Let's load the sleepers into the truck. Hooray! Let's lay sleepers on a crushed stone pad. We need to fix a crack on the truck. We did it! And now let's grind the seam. You're doing really great. Look at the cloud and choose the same color on the spray gun. That's all. Now let's load the rails onto the dray scene. Keep up the good work. Let's lay the rails and fix them. Let's load the parts for the crosswalk into the minecart. Hooray! Let's install a semaphore and make a crosswalk. Pile driver. Pump. Amazing! Let's hammer piles for the station building. Let's load the boards onto the flat top. We did it! Let's make wooden decking for the platform. Now let's load the beams for the frame into the open wagon. You're doing really great. Let's assemble the frame with the first and second floors. And now we need to fuel the crane with cargo bed. Press the pump. Keep up the good work. Let's install the facade and railings on the balcony. And now we need to fuel the crane. Pump. We did it! Let's complete the construction of the building. Let's load the container car. Keep up the good work. Let's add decorative elements to the facade. Let's load the windows and doors into the glass transporting car. We did it! Let's install windows and doors. Did it! Now let's load the equipment into the technical car. That's all. Let's arrange the station area. Really great. And now we need to fuel the locomotive. Press the pump. We did it! Let's inspect the locomotive before it leaves for the journey. Let's load safes and letters into the mail car. That's all. Let's load the necessary items into the car. on. Hooray! The train is ready. Now passengers can go on a journey.